welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm bringing you an emergency Bitcoin update. And right now it's like 1 a.m. here in Dubai. Just came back from a cinema and a lot of fun in Dubai Mall with my golden cars and stuff. And by the way, follow me on Instagram to see a lot of crazy stuff that I'm doing here in Dubai. And so Bitcoin price seems to be breaking out, and just like I mentioned in the previous video, it's breaking out a bit earlier than I thought. I really wanted to see that beautiful structure that I mentioned in the previous video. If you haven't seen the previous video, please take a look. But nonetheless, I still took a long trade in Bitcoin right now. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like and my idea here and what's my risk and money management. And there must be very, very strong and smart risk and money management in this case right now because it's very risky. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. And yeah, please smash that like button. Let's get to 1,000 likes because it's 1 a.m. right here. It's 1 a.m. here in Dubai and just came back from all the fun stuff to make a video for you guys and girls. So please smash that like button. Give me that support and thank you very much in advance. All right, so let's get right into it. And Jesus. So here is what it all looks like in the hourly chart. So you've seen this in the previous video. We were rejected quite a few times right here and also right here, and we were rejected really fast. Then we were rejected right here from this diagonal level. We were rejected right here, and then we sort of squeezed it, and now we are breaking through it. And actually, this break is quite a bit dirty, but at least we are staying above this diagonal level. And just to remind you where it's coming from, it's very visible in the daily chart, and we might be seeing this breakout finally going to at least the current target for me is 45,700. That's also the area of my take profit right now. And just not to be one of those people saying that, oh, you know, this is also smart, we can do this and that. Here is my trade over on Bybit. It's not a big one, but it's $100,000 with a cross margin of 1.84. So $100,000, and so far just a small profit of $729. But nonetheless, it's only getting started. So as you can see here, I've traded this breakout. My stop loss is currently at 42950. And yeah, so the most important aspect right now for us is to go past $44,000, which again, we could see some kind of a resistance in this area, as you can see. But again, it's already looking much better than it was here because the rejection here was very, very powerful. And here the rejection, actually, there is no rejection yet. And actually we are hovering above this level, which let's go back to this one. So in the rejection, now we are hovering above this super strong resistance level. And the only time when we actually closed in the daily chart, when we closed above, was this one time right here. And basically all the rest were rejections, and we didn't even close in the daily chart above this level. So right now, this is what it's looking like right now. So if we close above, which we should be closing anytime soon, then it's gonna be a very bullish sign, and we are already in. And hopefully that you've watched my videos previously and did also take this trade. Please let me know down in the comments if you did. And yes, so Bybit, $100,000 trade is live, so you can see it right here. And if you want to trade with Bybit as well, I do trust them. I like this platform over any other one that I've tried, and I've tried many within so many years of me being in the markets. And also, if you want to trade with Bybit, then go down into the description of this video and click on my exclusive link, which will give you up to $4,100 in bonuses. If you register today, open an account, takes like 20 seconds, no KYC, and make your initial deposit and get up to $4,100 in bonuses, which is quite awesome. And when you do the deposit, go to Rewards Hub inside the Bybit and claim all the rewards. So very easy, and do it right now. So what am I looking at right now besides this candle closing in the daily chart, actually closing above this diagonal level, which would be a very nice bullish scenario, bullish sign. What I'm actually, let me just pull it up quickly. What I'm looking at is this line right here, and this is the moving average in the hourly chart for the last 99 hours, basically. So the 99 moving average, which actually we were staying below it for quite a while. And as you might remember, we took this amazing trade right here, and I hope that you've taken this trade with me and made a lot of money just as I did. And then we stayed below it, and here we were actually fighting it very much. And here we found a lot of support in this 99-hour moving average. And now we bounced off of it right here with a false break, fake out. And now we are again above it. So in the immediate short term, this is looking really tasty, quite honestly. Now about my target. So my target in this instance is, we're going to be paying close attention to $44,000. I think that this is a very important level right here because we saw many rejections here. But again, those rejections were actually off of this diagonal line, which we just broke. So we might as well go through 44K easily, but we'll see. We can see also a very quick fake out nonetheless. So I'll talk about risk and money management shortly. So this is what we really want to go past if we really want to remain bullish on this short-term trade. And the target, obviously, the major one is going to be this level right here, which is 45,700. This is where my take profit is at. If we take a look at Bybit over here, then you will see my take profit is right here to liquidate the whole position, all $100,000, and it's set out at 45,500. So this is my target. This is what I'm expecting. And now about risk and money management. So as you can see, this is what I'm ready to risk for this potential income. Well, again, as long as we go past $44,000 here, then we should have no problem reaching 45,500, and that's when my take profit is going to be taken. But remember that your risk and money, these kinds of trades, immediate short-term perspective, swing trades, day trades, are very, very dangerous. So be very careful. And if you want to learn how to trade properly, all the links to one of the best trading learning programs in the world is down in the description as well. And a 20% discount exclusively for you, for my followers, for my YouTube family. So in this case, do not let your trades run if they don't work. So this kind of an instance, when we have this breakout, I take these trades. And my stop loss, I move my stop loss into profit after at least one or two sizes of profit. I see the size of my stop loss. So if my stop loss is, let's say, $500, when I have a profit of $1,000 or at least $500, that's when I'm going to move my stop loss into profit. So I'm going to have a free trade, and if it reverses and goes against us, or some bad news like in Kazakhstan or something from Federal Reserve comes out, I'm going to get a free trade. So this is the same thing. So once I see that I'm ready to pull up my stop into profit, I'm going to do it, and that's it. So keep your risk and money management straight. A lot of people don't use stops, and then it goes against them, and then they get into this stage of hoping, and hope is the worst shit ever when it comes to trading. So always use very strict risk and money management rules, and when you see that the trade is not working and we are going, it turns into a false break, which it might still, it's not that big of a move in our profit yet. So, and if it does, then just close it off, and that's it. And so in this way, using this risk and money management like 3-to-1, 5-to-1, 10-to-1 is going to give you a huge edge as a trader. So yes, stay smart, and please hit that like button. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload, because these are very, very urgent. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you've taken this trade and are in profit right now as well. Thank you for watching. Best of luck in the markets. I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio!